What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. What a dark couple weeks it has been. Jasmy is down 3.7 at 1.3 cents. We're all in the red at this point here, especially since it's been consolidating about 1.7 for about a year and a half now. So market cap is $671 million, 48 billion in circulation out of 50, all-time high 479, all-time low 002. So if you bought 2 years ago, you're still up 4x. But if you're like everybody else, you're probably down a bit. But that's perfectly fine. I think this is the last capitulation before we start going absolutely parabolic. But it is what it is. Trust me, the market sentiment is down big. I've just been touching grass, staying away from crypto. Don't look at the market. It is what it is. Historical data always plays out, and that's currently where we're at. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, let's get into Jasmy here. How are we looking? Oh my gosh, this chart, that capitulation right there. So if you've watched my channel before, we've talked about the powerful support at around this 1.7 range. That has been support since February 2024. And yes, we did break it. And we fell all the way down to our support that we had back in July of 2022, a 2022 support level. And that has held so far. So right now we got that nice bounce off that 1.1 area, currently working our way back up to our multi-year support flipped resistance area at about 1516. The great part is on the day chart, we did actually flip bullish here on the MACD. So the last 2 days have been bullish. We are blue over orange, and it does show like a double bottom that currently formed. If we look at the WTX, 1, 2, 3 sell signals, guys, we hardly ever see those 3 sell signals. And this is the lowest the WTX has been since June of 2023, which is absolutely insane. Last time June of 2023 was right here. And if you would have bought June of 2023 on that deep buy signal, you could have rode it all the way up to here and got a 19x from that point on. So in my personal opinion, when there's fear, fear, uh, fear and greed and everything like that, buy fear, sell greed. Right now, a lot of the indicators are showing that we are at a local bottom. Hopefully, if we go much lower than this, then just sell your crypto and go work at McDonald's. Right now, we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI is still looking really good on the day chart. We're still bullish here with the blue over the orange, still going straight up, putting in a higher high as well. Right now, if we look at the 3-day chart, this is a little bit of the longer term. We still have not flipped bullish yet. We haven't been bullish since December 26th of 2024, but the overall momentum since we peaked bottom here February 2025 has been more bullish than bearish, as you can see with the slight rollover. So is this going to take a little bit of time, guys? If we look at the RSI is at a low here of around 35. If I draw a horizontal line at that 35 level, you can see going all the way back to 2023, that has been a very, very heavy support area from us. We have not been lower than that. The only 2 times we've been lower than that was October and December of 2022, which is way back here when we hit that 002 area during the depths of the bear market. In my personal opinion, we're not in the bear market. We are in the bull run right now, and this is just the final shakeout before things start getting fun. Now, if we look at the stock RSI, similar thing. We bottomed out here. We have never been at the bottom this long before on the stock RSI, maybe right here, but this is more of a up down scenario. And you can see usually after that is when we start going straight up. So good thing is we do have blue over orange right now. I know the sentiment is down big. I mean, we look at the stock or WTX on the 3-day is in the green right now. We have not printed any buy signals yet, but if I draw a horizontal line, we've bottomed out at this area every single time except once, and that's that October of 2022. So historically speaking, we should be at the bottom. That should have been the best buying opportunity here for a long time, was 1-1. So hopefully you strong believers were able to pick some up there. I still think this cup and handle pattern on the long-term day is going to play out. I think that might be the capitulation that we're looking for before you're going straight up. But it is what it is. Trust me, it sucks. I've been in the scenario several times before, and it's best just forget about crypto for a bit. Just go out, touch grass, invest in what you believe in, and then just let it sit. Let it sit. I mean, staring at the screen every single day, staring at the charts every single day is just going to drive you mad and make you lose money. Trust me. So right now, our main resistance area that we need to focus on overtaking is probably back over that 1.5 to 1.7, which was a heavy support area for us in the past. So I'm going to draw a red box right here for you guys. And this is the area that we really, really need to focus on overtaking, which I do think it is going to play out. Like I mentioned, a lot of these indicators in long-term time frames have bottomed out, and we've really never been lower than where we currently are right now. So the sentiment is so bad right now, but overall indicators are looking pretty good. I mean, like I mentioned, we bought in at 1.07 and 2 cents, so we're down. If you've gotten the Jasmy back in 2024, obviously this is the lowest you've ever seen it since February 2024, and that might be the whole plan right there. You know, shake out the holders that have been accumulating since March of 2024, and then just send it to the moon. But we'll see how it plays out. Overall, we're in it now. We're in the depths, man. Welcome to the trenches. Overall, though, I think we're perfectly fine. Just I've been ignoring crypto for a while. As you can see, I haven't uploaded a video in a while, and that's perfectly fine. It's a perfectly healthy, normal thing. Go touch grass, let your things cook, let the trenches be the trenches, and no reason to stress. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.